Heads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is Nike toying with us? On Friday, we were supposed to get the shock drop last week, either Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Definitely Friday. And then Jordan Brand ends up shock dropping these Jordan 1 High OG white and gold. We know these ain't the shoes that we want. I understand Valentine's Day is coming up, and maybe they want to shock drop these for the women's. But what about the men? What are they doing for us for Valentine's Day? Everybody's always talking about equal rights. Well, what about the men? We want equal rights too. But anyway, after they shock dropped these, which didn't sell out, and Nike released this video right here. I'm gonna let you watch this and we'll talk about it afterwards. So as you see, they have the musician playing the saxophone, and it looks like he's calling, kind of reminds me of the Pied Piper, like he's calling upon the rats of New York. So is Nike saying that we're rats now? He's trolling us, saying that the snitches, aka rats, are telling the shock drop the time that they're going to be releasing the shock drop. So they're changing up things on us on purpose because there's a lot of rats out there in the field, or the rats in the city in New York. And so here he is, as the musician's playing, he's calling these Jordan 4 breads to himself. I don't know. And it ends with the Jordan 4. Let me know what you think about the video, and how do you feel about Nike teasing us with this shock drops, but it's not the shoe that we want, sneakerheads. Let me know in the comments below what happened on Friday. Now today, Nike sneaker app is hitting us with this. Is there anything better than a shock drop? Come on, man. Did they really ask us that question? Let me know what you think in the comments, sneakerheads. Do you appreciate what Nike's doing to us on the sneaker app? Let me know down below.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others, please.